Silver and gold update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through all the details and steps to the blast off trading system. You're going to absolutely love this. To get access to this blast off trading system, click on the box above that says blast off trading system to get access to it now. Alright, hey traders, just a quick silver and gold update. Let me just share with you what I'm seeing on the overall charts. A bit of a nothing day on silver. Let me just take everything off the screen here. So pretty much a nothing day on silver. Had a rally down, came straight back up. We're slowly still stepping up through here, guys. But we still haven't broken past this previous peak here yet. That's the thing that I'm truly looking for. And if you have a look at this here, on that we have, let's go yellow. This is peak, lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, and this still could be another lower peak. So as long as the market is doing that, the sellers are going to be in control. Lower peak, rally back up, rally back. Is this a lower peak, or do we start to rally up and out to create a high peak? If so, that is the first sign that the bulls are coming into control. So right now the sellers still in control right now, guys. Nothing has changed when it comes to silver and gold. So that's what I'm looking at through there. Looking at through the same thing for silver as well too. I'd be really careful about what's actually happening right now, guys, because we're not really getting any strong movement yet out of gold. A lot of people are bullish, say this is the bottom and blah 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 and yada 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 and all that sort of stuff. It's very hard to say what's happening right now, guys, because we're not getting any smooth price action, and we're not getting any dominance on any leg. And if you just bring up, say, the weekly chart here, and this is the weekly chart right now, if you look at gold is rallying. Gold is actually getting into this area of this major area of resistance, as you can see. So if this area through here, as you can see, as high as sort of the 1200 level, you can see it almost basically rejected there on this weekly chart. We need to break above that, and we need to start creating a nice little break above there, come back down here on a weekly chart, break above this here, and get back above this 200 moving average. And that's what you want to see for this bull trend to actually start when it comes to gold. So going back to here, and let me just bring up this chart here, you can see that this whole level through here right now, if I squeeze my chart up, my daily chart, you can see that this is where the market has a lot of support. So we need to break past that. Then the next level is the 1250. If we start to really cross above that, guys, then we're likely to see some significant movement. Then the bull trend is starting to move, and so on and so forth. So there are the few things, guys, that I'm looking at silver and gold. If I actually go and have a look at the SLV chart, you can see here that it actually came back up. It came back down, came back, sort of held through here, and then we came back up and we closed that gap. And you can see here on GLD as well too, nothing much happening on GLD, but on the SLV price, we actually did close that gap as well too. So right now, guys, overall, the sellers still have it in control. All right, because we are still getting sellers, and sellers. So we are still getting that. And so that they are still creating that low peak. Once again, guys, as long as we're doing that, then the sellers are in control. But if we start to rally back up and start to break this previous peak, that's the first sign that more buyers are coming in control. But don't get your hopes up too yet about silver and gold turning around and calling this the next big bull run, because that is just dangerous. The market is, wait for the market to tell you it's going to turn around long term, and then jump on that trade. Sometimes in the past, I'm guilty of this, guys, where I haven't actually been reading what the chart's telling me. I've been trying to basically, it's just trying to basically tell what the market's doing here. So, or basically having my view instead, trying to mold it instead of just reading what the market's telling me. Right now, we're creating a lower peak, and we're still below my 52 moving average, especially on SLV price. So I'm definitely not long there. I am looking to buy another long-term options trade when it comes to silver on the SLV price, but I'm waiting for a bit more definite price action when it comes to that. And let me just share with you what I see on this weekly chart here. This is the weekly chart overall, guys. You can see we did hold a big support level here. Real big key support level through there. And if I just, this is the weekly chart here. If I just add another simple moving average, let's just make that 52. We'll make that color there. And so you can see this 52 moving average, once again, guys, is the key for me. We really need to start breaking above this 52 moving average and start to create higher peaks and higher troughs. For me to start to see, these things turning around. I would not be calling this a big bull trend. I would not be saying, that gold is going to go to 2,000 right now, because, guys, that is just a gamble. I want to see nice little higher trough, nice little higher trough, nice little higher trough. What is that? This is buyers in control. But as you can see, right, if I go back and I squeeze my chart up through here, if you go back and look at this one simple chart, 52-day move or 52-week moving, 52 moving average, simple moving average on SLV price, and you can see that we had lower peak, ran back up, 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 equal peak, higher peak. Now it's starting to form a higher trough, right? We started to get these troughs. Look at this here. Trough, lower trough, equal trough, not a higher trough, lower trough, higher trough, higher trough. So you're starting to see these peaks and troughs are starting to flow. And if you start to get that, this is where the long-term trend is likely to start turning around. So right now we're getting lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, and we still could be getting a lower peak. So for the people out there that are calling a big bull trend, I would not be saying that, because you just, I would not be saying that. But this is, if you're looking for long-term trade, which I am, I'm looking for another long-term, like another 12-month option trade like I had last year. I'm looking for certain things on the chart to tell me this is now a good time to get in, because now the overall chart is actually changing. The trend, the overall chart is now changing based on what the chart is telling me. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.